Good afternoon, everybody. Till everybody comes, please write this.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll wait for others. Meanwhile, write these questions, or those who already wrote, please check your questions once again.
Ma'am, I joined. Ma'am, I completed the whole lesson. Simple.
I told you, those who completed, please remain silent.
Good morning, ma'am. Oh. Good afternoon.
Meera, please mute. Okay. Did you all write this? B part, page number 62?
Ma'am, ma'am, in last one.
Okay, right. No problem. Later, when I check the books, you should not show any incomplete work. Everybody should write, okay?
Ma'am, can you scroll a little bit down? Okay, ma'am, thank you.
One more thing I forgot to tell, this FA4 exam, it is not Google Forms, it will be written exams. Okay, so you have to learn question answers from that one Bobo spot, and maybe these kind of formation of sentences I will be giving in the exam. Okay, because I can't give multiple choice questions. Okay, formation of sentences, writing question sentence, something like that I can give. Okay, so we prepare all the question answers, and as well as in the grammar book, prepare these kind of things where you can write different kinds of sentences instead of objective type.
Okay.
Like in page number 51, Rima brush every day, Rima brushes her teeth every day. Those questions I can give. And here formation of question with do or does, that also I
Morning, ma'am.
that also I can give.
Ma'am, by mistake, you drawed the line, ma'am.
Forget about it. So Priya singing a song, these sentences which we just read, this also I can give. And even the C part which we are going to do right now, you can expect even that. So use these words and phrases, form sentences and questions in the past continuous form. You have to first form a normal sentence and put slash and write the question sentence. For example, first sentence I will tell you. All of you please concentrate. Vijay Kumar. Second sentence I will only ask you. You will be asked. So prepare. The hints he has given is he take bath. Okay, what is a normal sentence you can form? He was taking a bath. Why? Because it is past continuous tense. Okay, in the past he was taking bath.
I can't hear you, ma'am.
What about others?
Ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, log out and log in again.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Sannidhi, log out and log in again. Okay, so past continuous form we need to form. So normal sentence is he was taking a bath. And what will be the question? Was he taking a bath? Okay, he was taking a bath. Was he taking a bath? Harshita, second sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I prepared dinner. I
Was past continuous.
was preparing dinner.
Question.
Was I preparing a dinner?
Yeah, very good. These two you write. Or else shall we tell everything and the later write all at a time? Shall we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anand,
Yes.
we study
Ma'am, no,
English.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We study English. No,
Answer.
ma'am. We were studying English,
Very good.
comma.
Not comma. Oblique. That means next sentence. Question. We were studying English. Question is?
We study.
We were
Okay.
studying English.
Were we studying English?
Excellent. Very big. Studying English. Very good. Nikhil, they play chess.
Yes, ma'am.
They play chess.
They play chess.
Past continuous.
Past continuous.
Okay, Karthikeya, you said?
Were they playing chess? Were they playing chess?
First normal sentence, ma. Then question.
We were playing. They were playing chess.
Yes, correct.
Were they playing chess?
Very good. Manjari, fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. She listening to the radio.
She, past continuous, was or were?
Was
She was listening to the radio. Question.
Was she listening
Very,
to the radio?
very good. Sriram, sixth one. Sriram, why didn't you come in 1:30 class? I didn't see you. Sriram. Okay, you won. Sixth one.
He is not joining the classes, ma'am. We were cycling all day.
Very good. We were cycling all day. Next question.
Were we cycling all day?
Very good. Were we cycling all day? Jyotish Abhinav, seventh one. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one.
The kids were playing in the garden all the day.
Very good. Question.
Were the kids play in the garden all the day?
Playing in the garden all day.
Playing.
Yeah, very good. Sriram, tell eighth one then. Sriram, I'm talking to you. What happened to him? Sastra ke eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Sriram, do you want to say?
I practiced the guitar. Was I practiced the guitar?
No, practice ing form.
Was I practicing?
First, tell me normal sentence. I practice the guitar. It is not a normal sentence. First form है normal sentence. In past continuous.
I am.
Not am. Was or were.
I was practicing the guitar.
Question.
Was I practicing the guitar?
Sriram, can I talk to your parents?
I'm talking for ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm talking Sriram, ma'am.
Now, why were you not responding when I called you? Come on, answer.
Which page we should be open?
Page 62.
టీచర్తో మాట్లాడు నాతో మాట్లాడు
Sriram, can I talk to your mom?
మేడం చెప్పండి
మేడం బుక్ ఉందా మేడం బాబు దగ్గర?
ఉంది మ్యామ్ చెప్పమంటే కూడా చెప్పట్లేదు
కూర్చుంటే ఎందుకు పలకట్లేదు?
అదే అసలు మాట్లాడమన్నా మాట్లాడట్లేదు అన్ని క్లాసెస్ ఎగ్గొట్టేస్తున్నాడు ఒక్కటి కూడా రాయట్లేదు
క్లాస్ కూడా రాలేదు.
రాలేదు మ్యామ్ ఇంకా ఫోర్స్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ క్లాస్కి అటెండ్ అయ్యిండు డైలీ ఇదే వరుస.
వై శ్రీరామ్ మేడం మీరు నాకు తర్వాత కాల్ చేయండి, నేను బాబుతో మాట్లాడతాను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ మా క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక కాల్ చేస్తాను మ్యామ్.
ఓకే రైట్.
Ma'am, wait 5 minutes, ma'am.
Why 5 minutes?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Which bit?
C bit.
Ma'am, can you put your on it? I'm in 6th one.
Ma'am, can you keep like the only 5 minutes I'm writing now?
Don't you know that you have to mute? Somebody is talking in your room. Vijay Kumar, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am, I am writing.
Ma'am, what we should write this?
I didn't get you. You have to write in page number 62 here. See, lines are provided, right? First sentence you write in small letters, in small size letters. Put one slash. You know what is slash, right? And then write the question here.
Okay, ma'am. We should write this all. We should
Of
write
course,
all.
we just learned, which everybody told this, so we are writing.
Ma'am, I completed the next lesson.
Who asked you to complete?
Ma'am, I completed simple future tense.
That's what. Why did you complete without knowing?
Ma'am, because these are easy, so it is they are easy, so I am doing on my own, ma'am.
Don't forget to cross check. You may commit mistake.
Completed, ma'am.
Incomplete, ma'am.
Completed.
Sorry.
Mom, don't follow.
Okay. Whatever is remaining, I'll forward. You copy later.
No, ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Yeah. The simple future tense, very, very easy. Read the sentences. It will rain tomorrow. When I grow up, I will become a pilot. The verbs in these sentences tell about some time in the future. The simple future tense used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. You know, I explained about the three tenses, past, present, and future. Did I explain or not?
Ma'am, our teachers explained in second class or third
Yeah,
class.
past tense means which already happened. Present means which right now happening. Sri Lanka, will you please concentrate? Okay, future means which will happen later. Okay, so the simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen. That means that may or may not happen in the future. It will rain tomorrow.
We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know. We are just guessing it will rain tomorrow. So fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay. Kartikeya, please you start. The bus.
The bus that will leave at 4:45 p.m.
Yeah, very, very simple. Just add will and use the same verb. That itself will become the simple future tense. Will leave. See here, will call. If it is singular, I will call. If it is plural, we will call or we shall call. Okay, Ananya, second one.
Yes, ma'am. You will call. You
No, these
will
sentences.
call. I met my friend
No,
at
future means will plus verb. That is a standard format. Will plus verb, that's it. Okay. Now tell me what is the verb in this? Whatever is given in the bracket is verb, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is will plus verb? What will you write in the blank? Okay. Sannidhi, you say.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one.
Second one. I met my friend
Not
at the
met,
mall on
ma.
Sunday.
You're not understanding. 1 second.
I will meet.
Yes, in future tense, if you want to say, simply add will plus verb. That's it. Very, very simple. Will plus verb. Will meet, will talk, will run, will eat, will dance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Verb can be anything. You know all the verbs. I need not tell you. Okay, Vijay Kumar, now tell the third one.
Yes, ma'am. The school dash start at 8 a.m.
School was start.
Just now explained on the board. No, will plus verb. So what is the verb here? Start. Isn't it?
Start.
So what you should fill in the blank? The school.
The school.
Shriram, you tell. You understood, right? Last Samita, you sir. Puranandan,
Yes,
will you look at the screen?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am. Ma'am, this is last Samhita. Will start. I know, ma'am.
Will.
Start.
Will start. That's it. Very simple. Will start. Okay, Manjari, next one quick.
Yes, ma'am. The
Forecast.
forecast says that it will snow tomorrow.
Very good. Will snow. Yashashri, fifth one. Yashashri, fifth one. I can't hear. Bindu Tarpana.
Ma'am, now I understood. I will read, ma'am.
Huh?
Now I understood. Now I will read.
Who?
I'm Ananya, ma'am.
No, Ananya, you understood. No, I have to give chance to others also. Yashashri, will you read now? Yashashri. Okay, Bindu Tarpana, you read.
The
School, fifth.
I will send you all the information as soon I get it.
Very good. Harshita, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. Girish will get his result in 2 days.
Very good. Kartikaya, seventh one.
Someday I will write a novel.
Very good. Channavi, eighth one.
I
Will plus verb. Shanavi.
Ma'am, your video is off. Ma'am, can you read? I'm reading. Ma'am, can you read? I'm Grishma.
Read.
I will go to the doctor tomorrow.
Very good. Shanavi, why are you not able to tell you? You were very smart. Why are you not able to do right now? Bindu Mohana, B. Mohit asks a fortune teller about his future.
Yes, ma'am.
He tells him, Mohit,
You will study well and do well for yourself.
Okay, Bindu Mohana, a lot of disturbance. Can you mute? Bhagat, are you there? Prachod,
Yes, ma'am.
read. Your friends,
Mohit was
not was, future continuous tense.
Mohit,
Simple future tense, sorry.
Mohit, you
She already told the answer. Why are you reading that? Prachol, she already told the answer. You have to start from your friends. Mohit, you will study well and do well for yourselves. Your friends
your friends
will plus verb. Will.
Will.
Be only. It won't change.
Be.
Will be.
Will be
Proud.
proud of you because you will
Very good.
become
Become only. Verb will not change its tense.
become a professor in the big university.
Yeah. Please stop. Yashashri, you didn't attempt earlier. Can you please try now? When you
Okay, ma'am.
something, it got disconnected. Yeah. You. Read this, Yashashri. Again problem. Bala, you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read this. Here.
You dash very happy. Be happy.
Will be. Will plus verb, right?
Will
Will be
be happy.
very happy.
Very happy.
Continue.
You dash
Don't tell dash. Tell the answer.
you will earn a lot of prize.
Very good. Not prize. Praise. Praise means somebody is saying good about you. Continue.
Praise. You will buy a beautiful cottage.
Very good. Rishma, continue from here. You and your wife.
What, ma'am?
From here.
You and your wife travel.
Will travel.
Still travel. Wait, ma'am, I will read. Still travel
Around.
around the
World.
world.
Your
What, ma'am?
students. Continue reading.
Your students and your friends will go.
Praise.
What, ma'am?
Praise.
Praise
You.
you
For.
from good work.
Your family.
Your family be
Will.
be
Proud.
proud of you.
Okay. So we use will. You want to see the answers? See here.
Two minutes, ma'am.
cannot hear you, ma'am.
Why not?
Ma'am, I can hear now, ma'am.
I was calling you, Bhagat. Bhagat, you didn't respond.
Ma'am, I'll write it myself. You can take out. What are you saying? Ma'am? 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 What are you saying, ma'am?
I'm asking you to write 64 page number, 63 page number. We did exercises, so I'm showing the answers. Okay, anyway, I'll forward. I want to finish this lesson. Come here. Kartika, quickly, can you read this? Yeah, first let me explain. We will use will when we want to express a future event or wish. I will go to the book fair tomorrow. We use will not or won't to express a future wish that we don't not to do something. I will not go to the book fair tomorrow, or I won't go to the book fair tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Here are
ma'am, I'm talking you, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am?
Bhagat, please wait. Here are few more ways which we can use will or won't.
Ma'am, I have internet connection problem, ma'am. It's cutting and coming, cutting, coming.
No problem, you
It's
watch the
problem, I can.
No problem, ma. You watch the video. I'm sending the link right now. So here are few ways in which we can use will and won't. I will see, I won't see. I shall see, I shall not see. Like that. Yeah, Kartikeya, read the first sentence and second sentence also. You only do it. Write will or won't to complete the sentences.
They won't let you after 6. The show will start after that. I will climb the mountain and get the apples.
Ananya, third one.
Ma'am, I'm Bhagat. You're talking. One minute.
What happened,
Ma'am,
Bhagat?
I have internet connection.
Yeah, no problem.
And,
See, you have
and
Bhagat, if
I
you
can
have
see
internet,
black, ma'am.
Bhagat, if you have
Ma'am.
internet problem, you have to solve it. Okay, Ananya, read.
Okay, ma'am. I won't.
Yes.
I won't burst crackers because they create smoke.
Next question. Next sentence also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have internet connection problem, ma'am. Coming and going, coming and going. I can't hear you nicely and I can see black one.
Who is talking?
Bhagat, ma'am.
How many times is telling the same thing again and again? Yeah,
Yes,
continue,
ma'am.
Ananya.
Won't he come with us?
Yeah, won't he come with us? Correct. You won 5th and 6th, quick.
You will get a new dress tomorrow. I won't go to Jaipur this time. I will to go
Jaisalmer. Instead.
Instead.
Nikhil, 7th and 8th.
Yes, ma'am.
7th and 8th, quick. The meeting will end.
7th and 8th. Dash you be at home this afternoon.
Okay, Manjari, you read.
Mama Bhagat.
Manjari, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. Boom, boom.
Will you be at home this afternoon?
Very good. Eighth one. Jahnavi.
Jahnavi will go
Won't.
to school.
Won't or will not? Won't.
Won't
Hmm.
go to school tomorrow. She is ill.
Yeah. Rajasamita, ninth one. Vijay Kumar, where did you go?
Ma'am?
Ninth one.
Ma'am, I am Vijay Kumar.
Okay.
I won't buy clothes this year. On my birthday, I want Dad to give the money to poor children.
Very good.
There are only 2 minutes, ma'am. That's the bad luck. Ma'am, I have internet problem.
Who is talking? Yashashri?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the reason when I called you couldn't do.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Bhagat.
Hi, ma'am. It's coming and going, coming and going.
So you have to fix it. Tell your parents.
Mama, telling parents, ma'am.
We ask that internet guy to come and check. Or else what they will do, they'll upgrade. Maybe your internet is very slow. So if you give some money, they will upgrade to better speed. The gigabytes they will improve.
Ma'am, my parents are go out, ma'am.
Not now. Later when they come back, you call that guy and ask them to repair it.
Okay, ma'am.
How many people use at your home at a time?
My father, mother, and my brother.
You also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So four people are using at the same time. You need a gigabyte router. Bilva, you have what is your router? Normal router or gigabyte router?
Ma'am, pilustundi.
He won't talk, I know. He's scared.
Yes, ma'am.
So ask your parent to upgrade it. Then you will not face any issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Because these classes will continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 9259. I'll forward this in group. You write it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.